What's up guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel videos. In this video, I'm gonna speak about one of the really greatest preset pack that you're able to use in your Premiere Pro and After Effects. But if you wanna use all these options and preset in your Premiere Pro or After Effects, it doesn't have different. You should pay for it. But don't worry about this theme, because today I prepared it for you for free. So the only thing that you should do is come with me step by step until the end of the video. Before I start the tutorial and say how you can use from all these presets, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and leave some comment for me if you want to support from me, because it's the best support that you're able to do it for me without wasting time. Let's go! In step 1, you should download all the file that I put it in the description. When you download that file that I put the link in the description for you, you have some zip file like this. I want to extract it in here, and then you have film impact folder. You should go into this folder and then click on the easy installer of this preset pack. Don't click on this checkbox, click on the next, and then that's it. You already done it. The only things that you should do, and for the last step, you should click on the finish button. But let me test it for you. Click on the Premiere Pro and open your Premiere Pro. But one of the most important tips that you should care about it is you should close all the windows that are related to Premiere Pro or After Effects, and then do all this step and install this preset pack. So care about this tip. Okay, I want to open a new project and then add some footage, and when I did that, the only things that I should do is cut some of my layer for using my transition. Okay, that's it. And then come into the effect control panel, go into the video transition folder, and then you're able to see all the film impact transition folder. You're able to open any folder that you want to open it and use from the transition. But if I want to recommend or suggest some of them, I'm able to point TV Power, Glass, Grunge. It's really great. Let me test it for you. Did you see it? It's really great, for text or I don't know, anything else. It's really great. If I want to point another one, I'm able to say about warp effect. And one of the really greatest effects that you're able to find in this preset pack is about this effect. I don't want to use it and spoil it for you. I just recommend it to you. Download it and test it by yourself. And you're able to use from all these preset pack in any work that you want. It depends on you and your skill and a method of your editing. So what are you waiting, man? Just go and download it and use it. And don't forget to support from me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and for the last things, don't forget to leave a comment. Wait. I just forgot to say about a notification button. Don't forget to turn on it if you want to see all of my content first of all. Until the next video, peace guys.